Hi, it's Joe here. In this video, we're going to whiz through the process of changing the console cover on the Disc Edition PS5 console. As of February 2022, they went on sale at participating retailers in the UK, US and other regions worldwide. With Cosmic Red and Midnight Black being the first colours available, and Starlight Blue, Galactic Purple and Nova Pink joining the lineup not long after. I went for the Midnight Black because I've got a monochrome setup and also the matching Midnight Black controller, so it just made sense for me. Opening up the box, it's not a massive surprise to find some pretty solid protective packaging, ensuring nothing gets damaged in transit, and we also have the two panels which will replace the existing ones you already have. They have all the same markings and fixture points and are pretty much identical to the stock ones that come with the console, bar the colour. So onto the console makeover. First, get the console ready by unplugging it all and popping it on a flat surface. Ideally you want something soft that's not going to scratch the console. I've got this faux leather mat on my desk which works for me. Next, the rule of thumb is to look at the rear of the console with all the I/O ports, and we want to be focusing on that narrow side away from the ports. This is where we apply a bit of lifting pressure, as you can see, before pushing the cover away from the narrow end and towards the wider end with all the ports. Here you should be able to get an idea of how much pressure I'm applying to separate the cover from the console, but make sure when actually doing it, you lay it down on a flat surface, a lot safer that way. Next, line up your new console cover, which is fairly intuitive as it's got these little hooks on the inside that helps to slot it into place. Then you want to apply a little pressure towards that narrow end near the PS logo until you hear and feel a satisfying click. Then you're all done with side 1. Side 2 is very similar. We're focusing on that narrow edge at the back of the console. Pull the corner of the cover towards you with a bit of pressure and then push towards the side of the console with all the ports. Then you want to line up the cover to be put on that side. Get it into place and push towards the narrow end without the ports. And we are done. Now you can sit back, marvel, enjoy your console's new look. Maybe you're thinking of changing it again, changing it back. Maybe have a bit of a two-tone thing going on. Totally up to you. It's your console, your rules. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you give your console a new lease in life. Make sure you subscribe for more videos coming to you soon, and I'll see you later.